2018 Mazda CX-9 meets or surpasses desires for what a standard 3-push hybrid can be. Have you seen it? The Mazda CX-9 is a sleek hybrid SUV that puts others on take note. It's a standout amongst other looking 3-push hybrids available, and brags a few inside highlights and common luxuries found in significantly pricier SUVs. We rate it at a 6.7 for the present, that's score ought to enhance with more crash test information. It's not as open as others in the class, and Mazda's Turbo 4 has its points of confinement. This year Mazda has made standard blindside screens with raised cross movement cautions and low-speed programmed crisis braking on all models. The cost has ascended accordingly, $610 on base models, which are called Sport. Venturing up in Coast and Highlights, the Mazda CX-9 is offered in Touring, Grand Touring, and Signature variations. Front drive is standard on all models, and all-wheel drive is accessible at consistently extra $1,800. All variations of the CX-9 are controlled by a turbocharged 2.5-liter inline-4 that influences 250 torque on premium to fuel. Much of the time, the Turbo 4 is adequate for us to overlook that the CX-9 doesn't have a V6. i6 speed programmed is the main alternative in all cases, however we can't resist the urge to feel that more forward riggings would help the CX-9 improve the situation than 20 or 21 mile per gallon joined in day-by-day driving. Like most in its class, the CX-9 doesn't offer option powertrains or ZAP. However, the obvious issue at hand is the Highlander hybrid that does the majority of the above. Indeed, not looks. The CX-9 has that taken care of as of now. The hood is longer than the front drive design ought to permit, and the nose cans forward marginally in a way that makes them inquire as to whether Mazda Open Volvo's protected. Raised rooftop columns are curved marginally forward, which helps contract the CX-9's mass to some degree. Inside, the CX-9 classes up the inside with gorgeous materials, albeit a large portion of them are gleaming. Convey a cleaning material and Windex to supermarket runs, please. A low-set dashboard and infotainment screen open up the lodge for better light, yet Mazda wants to shrivel the lodge around its tenants with materials. In all designs, the Mazda CX-9 punches over its weight characterization, however it holds back before being a heavyweight contender. For the present,